Hi, we're back here with JaminkFarm.ca. It's a WordPress website built with WooCommerce. If you've been following along with the series, then you can see that we've built it out to the point that we now have a shop with our products. These are farm gate products. So in this last leg of our journey, what we've started doing is testing the payment processing and gateways. So one way to test this is I'm going to create a test product. That's just $1. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to order it. So I'm pretending that I am the customer right now, okay? The site is set up and I'm done working on it. How is their experience going to be? So I see here that I have my product. I'm only wanting one. Great, so I'm ready to check out. What you don't see on video is that we connected something called Square as a payment processor with our client Square account. So right now there's a handshake going between their website and their Square account, so it connects to their bank account. So here I'm going to fill out my details. I've already placed an order actually. So I can see here that I could do cash on delivery. So if I were to pick up at the farm gate, I could say, I just want to order it, make sure it's there for me. Or I can pay via credit card right now. Our working theory is that most people are going to choose cash on delivery so that they can pay via a transfer. But the whole point of this is to set them up with something that people can pay online with. So as I mentioned, I'd already done this. So I placed my order and this is what I got as a confirmation, which is great. And we also see that on the Square dashboard that the money came in. So our site is talking with our payment processor correctly. That's great. But one thing I did notice is that if I'm ordering off of this farm gate website, whether I'm buying eggs and meat, etc., there's really no indication as to when I'm going to be able to pick this up or if I'm picking this up, right? So I would have liked to have seen some kind of a notification at checkout to say, thank you for your order. We're going to give you a call to confirm when it's ready for pickup, or maybe give some kind of a blanket statement saying most orders are ready within 24 to 48 hours to pick up. You can pick up at our address here, right? Because as is, if I was a user, I feel a little bit like, okay, so I just bought something, now what? So I'm going to look into how to customize that. I don't know if it'll fall within our scope for this project because it's a really quick turnaround, but it's something that when I'm thinking about user experience, I'd like to improve. So there is something called the product add-on for WooCommerce. It's a free plugin, and what it does is it enables you to add forms to your products. So I'm thinking whenever someone orders, eggs or whatever else, we'll just add a kind of a form or an option that says, what day or time would you like to pick it up at, right? And maybe we're going to give just general pickup hours, only Tuesdays and Saturdays between these hours, so that our client isn't expecting people just showing up out of nowhere. So that's one way that I'm hoping to make that user experience better, but we'll see if we get around to that before the handoff date.